Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the dot rule. Dot rule. Dot rule, it have two rules. First rule, rule 1. When both currents enter on dotted end or on undotted ends, then the M and L terms have same sign. M means mutual inductance, L means self-inductance. Consider this circuit. This is coil 1, this one is coil 2. In this circuit, the current flow is I1. In this circuit, the current flow is I2. See this current direction, this is in clockwise direction, this is in anti-clockwise direction. This point is entering point of the circuit. Consider this dot, the current enter the dotted point and leave from the undotted point. So here also the current is entered in dotted point, leave from the undotted point. In this condition, both current enters and leaves on the same direction. The M and L has same sign. M means mutual inductance, L means self-inductance. These two are get the same sign. Second rule, if one current enters on dotted end and another current on undotted end, then the sign of mutual inductance and self-inductance terms are opposite to each other. See this circuit. Here the current is in clockwise direction, this side is in anti-clockwise direction, but entering mode of the current is this. In this circuit the I1 enters in dotted point, leave from the undotted point. Here enter in undotted point, leave from dotted points. This condition both currents are in opposite directions. In both currents means M and L are in opposite direction. Here same, in the consider this coil 1 current and coil 2 current. The coil 1, the current enter undotted point, leaves from dotted points. Here enter dotted point, leave from undotted point. Here both current are in opposite to each other. Here also M and L has opposite sign. Next, the combination is majorly classified into two groups, namely series connection. Series connections have two types. One is series aiding, another one series opposition. Series aiding are cumulative, series opposition are differential. Next, same parallel connections. Parallel connections also have two types. One is parallel aiding or cumulative, parallel opposite or differential. The dot rule is in the best way for such a type of circuit analysis. First, consider the series aiding. Series aiding means the two inductors are connected in series manner. That is series aiding. If the current enters on dotted terminals of the both coils, here see here, this one is L1, this one is L2, this one is M. M means mutual inductance. This one is mutual inductance for that current. Consider these two inductors L1 and L2. The current enters the dotted point. L1 also entering in the dotted point. L2 also entering in dotted points. Then it is said to be series aiding combination. Here listen, if the current enters on dotted terminals of the both coils L1 and L2, then it is said to be the series aiding combination only when the coils are connected in series manner. Now in this circuit you are going to apply the KVL here. First you write the KVL equation. The input voltage is V. So V minus I into J into XL minus I into J into XL. Here XL1, here XL2 minus I into JXM. JXM means mutual inductance of the coil. Here also this for L1 coil. Next you write again minus I into J XM, mutual inductance of the another coil is equal to 0. So you write like this. V, consider this side, V is equal to J. Take the J common for the all terms. So J I into XL1 plus XL2 plus 2X1 XM plus XM. So you convert this terminals sign plus 2XM. J into XL1 plus XL2 plus 2XM. So this side, in this side I, here it is in multiplication factor. In the side now V by I you get JXL is equal to J into XL1 plus XL2 plus 2XM. So you write like this, J that means XL1 is equal to omega L. So you substitute here. So x L1 you consider say omega L1 plus omega L2 plus 2 omega M1. Equivalent inductance equal to L equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Next, series opposition. Series opposing means in series connection when the current enters the dotted terminal starting end of the coil 1 and leaves the coil 2 at leaving end of the dotted terminal is known as series opposition. Here the current entering point of coil 1 is dotted line. Consider the second coil L2. In this coil, the current entering the undotted terminal and leaving from the dotted terminal. This is called as series opposition. Here, see here, the I current L in coil L1 entered to dotted point. Here, consider the L2, the current is leaving from the dotted. Inga entering point is in dotted, inga leaving point is in dotted. This condition is called as series opposition. Same here also you apply the KVL rule here. So V minus I into JXL 1 minus JXL 2 plus, so opposite sign. So L1 and L2 is in, the two are in minus now. The mutual inductance get this positive. In this, depending upon the rule 2, if the one current enters on dotted end and the other current on undotted end, the sign of the M and L terms are opposite to each other. Here, see here, the L inductance sign is negative, means mutual inductance, obviously it get positive. So V is equal to J into XL1 plus XL2 minus 2XM. So J, next XL1 plus XL2 minus 2JXM. JXL is equal to J into, you get this value. The equivalent inductance of the L is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2LM. So series aiding curve, you get the L1 plus L2 plus 2M, here minus 2LM. In parallel aiding, two inductors are connected in parallel manner. So see here, first parallel aiding. If the current enters on dotted terminals at starting end of the both coils, this is dotted terminal. The coil 1, coil 2. Coil 1 current I1, coil 2 current I2. Both the currents are entered in dotted end. It is leave from the undotted terminals. So this is, both coil is called as parallel aiding. See here, if the current enters on dotted terminals at starting end of the both coils, when they are connected in parallel and leaving at the undotted terminals of both coil is called parallel aiding. Here also you are going to write the equation here. V is equal to, consider this coil 1 circuit, I1 into JXL1 plus mutual inductance of the coil 1, you get this value. I2 current, I2, here you write the I2 into JXM. In this, here you get the mutual inductance. The mutual inductance depend the current I2. That's why you write I2 into JXM. So next you write the another equation for this coil. So V is equal to I2, this current, I2 into JXL2 plus I1. This mutual inductance is get from the I1 current. So you write here I1 plus JXM. You write the matrix formation here. You already know this formation, how to write this formation. So you put the V here, this side, you write these values JXL1, JXM, JXL2, here I1, I2. So you first find the I1 current. You write this equation like this. First you find the I1. Find the I1, you get this value. Next you find the I2 here. Next you're going to find the I. What is the formula for I? I is equal to total current. So I is equal to I1 plus I2. You are adding this two equation I1 to I1 and I2. You finally you get this equation from you get this x minus xl1 xl2 xm square 2x plus xl1 plus xl2 is equal to jv by I. V by I is equal to jxl. So write this equation. Finally you get L is equal to L1 L2 minus m square divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2m. This is parallel aiding equation. Next, parallel opposing. Parallel opposing, same you consider this circuit coil 1 and coil 2, that is L1 L2. The current flow in coil 1 I1, the current flow in the coil 2 is I2. Consider this circuit, the entering point of the first coil, the current entering point is entering end is dotted point and leaving from undotted. Here entering undotted points, leaving from dotted points. So you get the opposite sign for this equations. Same you write the equation for coil 1 and coil 2. This you get this V is equal to I1 into jxl1 minus j I2 jxm. You get the opposite sign. So L you get the positive, automatically mutual inductance you get the opposite sign means negative. So V is equal to I2 into jxl2 minus I1 jxm. Finally you get this equation. This equation for parallel opposing equation. Okay students, till now we saw dot rule. If you have any doubt, clarify with me. Kindly please go through the books and work out the problems from your textbook. Refer your textbook.